Did you know that there's 40% increase in conversion rate when stores adapt localized currency? That is why creating a good customer experience is how you can keep your customers happy. Now with Transcy, you can not only automate the translation of your online store into multiple languages, but also have a real-time currency converter to create a positive experience for your website visitors. Hi, my name is Amy from eCommerce and welcome to our 6th video series on how to use Transcy, where I'll explain everything you need to know about Transcy and how to use each feature.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add more currency to your Shopify store. Step 1. Open Transcy app and on the menu bar, click on Currency. Step 2. Click on Add Currency, select a new currency you need and click Add. Step 3. Turn the currency on to publish target currency on the switcher. Please make sure you have turned your switcher on in switcher settings. You can also unpublish, publish, and remove your currency in bulk. Select End. Click Action, then unpublish, publish, or remove them. Step 4. To manage your currency, go to Settings and click Edit. Here, you can edit the flag, currency name, code, and symbol that will appear on your switcher. The exchange rate can be updated automatically, or you can do it manually. If you choose Auto, the exchange rate will be provided by Transcy service. If you choose Manual, you can adjust the exchange rate yourself. Also, rounding your prices right here. You can also customize price format and other settings down here. Other settings section allows you to make some additional changes, show original price when hover, and show notification on cart page, which means in case the buyer's currency is not supported, Shopify will only allow customer to check out in default currency. By turning this on, you will display a notification on the cart page to inform your buyers.
That's it from me today. Let me know if you have any further questions in the comment section below. We post a new video every single week, and if you want to learn more about e-commerce, please make sure to subscribe to get notified when we post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.